everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Sarah, aka the Sandwich Lady, and today we are making a run to the parts store for my Jeep Liberty. We've made it. It's a good old Rural King. We are looking for 12 millimeter 1.75 pitch. There, need something to match this. These look like they may do it. We need 6 of these. Should I get original or foamy? Get foamy. Harvest King is a lot cheaper. On a budget here. Oh, crud. Put these back. There. You can never go wrong with that stuff. It's always good to have. Got what we needed. We're gonna go check out now. Got the goods. Now that is a good looking Jeep though. For a cheap Jeep, it's good. And we have arrived to O'Reilly's Auto Parts. I apologize, that was pretty terrible. Let's get ready to go in the store. Got my basket. Let's get this one. Yep. I got everything loaded up. Time to get home and do all this work. We'll start with the hood open. Oh, it's not that heavy, just a little awkward. That's the engine oil dipstick, and there's the transmission dipstick. Ah, there we go. Turn the light on the phone, that'll help. Oh, I have my transmission filter, the ATF fluid, RTV, which I probably won't need with this gasket, and my drain pan. Where did it go? Where did my 3/8? Oh, there it is. 3/8 drive with an extension and a 13 millimeter socket. I really need some more. Yeah. Better lighting. Oh, in my garage. Here we go. Crawl under here. All right. Let's see if we can get over here. Word of advice, do this when the exhaust is cooled off. Okay, there's one. Ow! Smacked my hand on the cat there. Ah! Why things have to be so difficult? I really need a lift. There's 4, 5, 7, 8. I don't remember what number I was on. It's already starting to leak. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Gonna loosen the rest of these bolts and pull the pan down and try not to get fluid everywhere. Look at all that lovely fluid I spilled everywhere. That's what it looks like underneath. To get this filter off, the Torx bit here and over there. And I don't recall what size it is. Got a huge mess to clean up. So this is the magnet, and there's no visible chunks, which is good. I'm gonna get this cleaned up. I wanted to show you something else here. There's like hardly any gasket left on this. It was time to be serviced. Got the oil pan, the transmission oil pan, that is, all buttoned up, all torqued to spec, and now it's time to put some fluid in this. There you go. I just wanted to show you all that this is clean fluid. This is old, dirty fluid. All right. So now I need to actually turn on the Jeep and let the transmission fluid run through, and then cycle the transmission from park to drive, park and drive. And once that's done, I'm actually going to take it out for a drive and see how well it actually drives now with new fluid, which should be a lot better. I'm gonna do that a few more times, back it out of the garage, let it sit for a few more minutes, and then take it for a drive. You barely see it, but that puff of smoke is actually the transmission fluid that dripped down onto the exhaust. It's just burning off. Warmed up in the Jeep. Go for a ride. It really needs a wash. Test drive went well. Still have that driveline vibration under acceleration. I suspect it's drive shaft related. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Bye bye.